Hello, is Lorenzo there? Lorenzo? Yeah, Lorenzo. Can you tell my call? I'm pretty sure this is his number. He gave me it. He was supposed to do this business thing for tomorrow. Yeah, Lorenzo. Well, this is his number, so can you tell my call? No, just tell him Tom called, because this is really important. My job depends on this. No. I'm pretty sure this is his number. Wait. Can I ask you something? Is it 628-7069? No, this is Lorenzo. I'm pretty sure it's Lorenzo. What? No. This has nothing to do with you. This has to do with me. Okay, I'm not trying to piss you off here, man. I'm trying to get a hold of Lorenzo. Well, I do, actually, so can you please, I think you just put the joke on me, so can you just give me the phone? I'm not playing around here, buddy. I'm being serious. You know what? I take that chance, you know what? So, who is this? Mr. I'm not Lorenzo? I told you, my name's Tom.
Alright, Tom. My name is George.
My name... What? What, hello?
Yeah.
My name is Thomas McGuire. I'm looking for Lorenzo Dolly. Can you please tell Lorenzo I called? This is Lorenzo Sloan. This is not... I'm pretty sure. I'm stupid. I'm still in college. Come on, little middle schooler. I'm looking for Lorenzo. Okay, can you please? I'm taking your finger. This is not Lorenzo. Lorenzo does not have an accent. Let's please put on Danny, or whatever his name is. Hello? Huh? Oh, that's nice. I'm looking for Lorenzo. Huh? Oh, that sounds nice. Yeah, can I speak to Lorenzo now? Oh, what, is this, 628-7069? Oh, really? But the number is right here. I can see it, and it says you have been on this conversation for about 4 minutes and 30 seconds, and I would like to speak to Lorenzo now. You're making me very angry. Okay, that has nothing to do with me. I'm trying to look for Lorenzo. I'm not hanging up until I get a hold of Lorenzo. So this is pushing buttons there, buddy. I would like to speak to Lorenzo right now, please. You know what? I'll call you later. Okay, bye.